Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these smart curtain controllers. They are awesome. They work with a remote control. You can have an app set up on your phone, and it also works with Alexa or Google or Siri shortcuts. So this is really cool. You can have it timed, you can touch and go, remote control like I said, or the app. On the app you can set timers for them to turn on and off, to open or close. So really cool and easy to operate, easy to install. You just install on the rod. I put it on the inside of my curtain. Depending on the curtains that you have, it does come with little clips that you might have to put this wire through and then clip it on to the curtain, depending on the rod, depending on the curtain. But once you buy it, you can see which one you're going to need. With this type of rod and curtains, you don't need any of the wirings. So it just automatically adjusts up there and then it starts moving. So I have two installed here to show you. It does come with the charger for you to charge, very simple. And then the remotes to use, you can control both of them at the same time. You control singles, so really cool. Press, it opens, the other one, and it opens. So really cool. When you want it to close, you can close again. You have to set it up on the app, like for it to automatically calibrate so it knows when to close and stuff. But as you can see, works flawlessly. I love it. And this is pretty cool. So you don't have to constantly, open it up yourself or anything. It automatically does it for you. So really cool. So works amazing. I highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.